vlog! What's up? What's down? Yes, these are the Filipino merienda, aka snacks. First, we have here the ginataang bilo-bilo. Yes, it has like a lot of ingredients. Yes. And this one,
Yes.
this one is the kamote cube.
What's that?
Kamote cube. It's a sweet potato that has a lot of sugar. It's sweet and sugar.
Is it?
Sweet potato.
It's fried, right? Fried.
Yes, it's being cooked in a brown sugar
Okay.
with minola oil. Brand.
Yeah,
And
one.
the last one is the palitaw.
Palitaw.
What is it?
Yes, the palitaw is like I really don't know, but it's yummy.
It's rice.
It's glutinous rice. Glutinous rice.
Yes.
Rice.
Yes.
And then how do you eat it? How do you eat it?
When you eat it, it's like this, and then you mix it with nyog. It's the coconut, and
Okay.
then the sugar with a little bit of sesame seed.
Oh.
It's like you, palitaw.
Can you teach us how to?
Sometimes you're there, sometimes you're gone. Palitaw.
Hindi, mali.
You're there. Lulubog, lilitaw.
Yun.
Yes, sa saradong.
Can you teach us how to make one?
Yes, of
Okay.
course. I can
So you
teach
take,
you.
you
So
take
you
one
take this.
piece. Okay.
It's like tikoy. In Chinese.
And then.
And then you put this coconut
Okay.
there. And then you put this sugar with sesame seeds.
Okay.
And you smell it, and that's it. You won't chew it. I'm full already. Thank you. Bye.
Please like.
It's our channel.
Please like. Share.
Let's go.
Please share.
Nakalokohan na tayo dito.